Welcome back to our TOEFL preparation series. Today, we are diving into a complete the words reading task, a challenge that tests your ability to use surrounding context and grammatical structures to identify missing vocabulary. We'll walk through a passage about historical inventions, focusing on how to use logic and sentence flow to find the right answers. Let's get started and master this section together. If you want to sharpen your reading skills and hit your target score, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for daily lessons. Let's keep working toward your success. To begin, let's look at the very first sentence of the text. This sentence introduces our main topic and provides the historical setting for the passage. Remember, this sentence has no blanks, so use it to build a clear mental picture of the subject matter. Paper is one very significant invention from history, first developed in ancient China nearly 2,000 years ago. This opening sentence establishes paper as a significant invention within the timeline of human history. It anchors the topic in a specific location and era, noting it was first developed in ancient China roughly 2,000 years ago, which sets a formal, historical tone for the rest of the reading. Moving forward, we examine how this new invention began to change society. This sentence focuses on the practical reasons why paper became so popular. Pay close attention to the comparisons being made between different materials. This cheap material quickly replaced heavy bamboo tablets and expensive silk fabrics across the vast Han Empire. The passage highlights the economic impact of paper by calling it a cheap material. It explains its rapid success by stating it replaced heavy bamboo and expensive silk fabrics, implying that paper's lightweight and low-cost nature made it superior to the traditional writing surfaces used in the vast Han Empire. Next, we see how the invention moved beyond its place of origin. This sentence describes the geographical spread of paper technology. Understanding this movement is crucial for following the logical progression of the passage. Soon, paper technology spread along the famous Silk Road to eventually reach the European continent. We learn that the technology spread along a specific path, the famous Silk Road. This detail explains how the invention was able to eventually reach a new region, the European continent, marking the transition from a local Chinese invention to a global phenomenon. Now, let's focus on the sentences that contain missing words. These sentences provide specific details about the inventor and the process he used. Use the surrounding context to predict the word that fits logically into each gap. An off, een, ass. The sentence introduces a person named K. Lun, who was part of the government structure. To describe his formal role or title in the ancient court, the most appropriate word is official. An official named K. Lun W. We are looking for a verb to connect the subject named Kai Lun to the description of his achievement. Since we are discussing a historical event, we need a past tense linking verb. Therefore, the correct answer is was. An official named K. Lun was T. In this context, the text is identifying K. Lun as the specific individual who achieved a breakthrough. To specify his unique position as the first to use these materials, we must use the definite article the. An official named K. Lun was the first to use VAT, mine. The even produced it is an official ass. Mine hay was ATS. The sentence explains that the inventor did not stick to one material but experimented with many plants. To describe a diverse range of items used in the process, the correct answer is various. An official named Kai Lun was the first to use various plants to car R. Nafter is danage active. Here, we need an infinitive verb that describes the goal of using various plants. The purpose of the process was to make or create a new material, so the correct answer is create. An official named K. Lun was the first to use various plants to create a thin RES. Officer, King Bide. Kai Lun's invention resulted in a thin surface intended for a specific use. Given that paper's primary historical function was for recording text, the correct answer is writing. He come, nay, our problem of the DA. The sentence describes the method of mixing different raw materials together. The verb that best fits the action of merging things like hemp and bark is combined. He combined H-prive and H-prive. Play for and also way. In the any times, we are listing the specific ingredients that were combined. One common plant fiber used in early papermaking, often paired with bark, is hemp. He combined hemp and bee. This part of the sentence lists the components used together with water. Alongside hemp, the fibrous outer layer of trees used in the mixture is bark. He combined hemp and bark together with water to form this TE. Bori and ace fibers are mixed with water, they form a dense, heavy substance. To describe the consistency of this mixture before it is pressed into paper, we use the word thick. An off. To master the complete the words task, always prioritize the logical flow of the paragraph. Pay close attention to parts of speech and how adjectives or verbs relate to the nouns around them. By practicing these contextual connections, you'll find the missing words much more naturally. Great job today, and keep practicing.